In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Vantage account to MT5. We'll walk through preparing your login details, connecting your account on the MetaTrader 5 desktop app, and confirming everything is working. Keep MT5 open on your computer and have your Vantage details ready so this goes smoothly. First, gather your login information. You'll need three things: your account number, sometimes called your login ID, your MT5 password, and the exact server name assigned to your account. You can usually find these in the welcome email from your broker or inside your secure client portal. The server name is especially important. It must match exactly, and it will indicate whether your account is live or demo. Your password is case sensitive, so double check capital letters and numbers. For accuracy, copy and paste your details where possible and be careful not to include extra spaces before or after. Now let's connect your account on the MT5 desktop platform. Open MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Go to the top menu and click File, then choose Open an Account. In the search box that appears, type the broker's name and wait for the server list to populate. Select the server that corresponds to your account type. Choose the live server for real trading accounts, or the demo server if you're practicing. If you pick the wrong server, the login will fail, so take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Click Next, and when prompted, select Existing Trade Account. You're not creating a new account, you're logging into the one you already have. Enter your login using the account number you prepared, then enter your MT5 password. Check your entries carefully, and when you're ready, click Finish or Log in. If the connection is successful, you'll notice your account populates right away. Your balance and equity will appear in the terminal area, and your charts will start updating with live or demo prices. This is a good sign that your credentials and server selection are correct. To confirm everything is working, look for three indicators. First, your balance and equity should be visible and accurate. Second, price candles or bars on your charts should be moving and updating in real time. Third, check the bottom right corner of MT5 for the connection bars. You should see green bars and a small data rate, which means you're connected. If something doesn't look right, verify your server name, recheck your login and password for typos, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Once connected, you're ready to analyze charts and place trades using your Vantage account on MT5.